Hey guys, it's Bonfire night and I thought I'd make a vlog like I did on Halloween this year. So I've just finished scripting my next video, which is going to be the why we celebrate Bonfire night in the UK. You don't celebrate in the US or anywhere else unless you're part of the UK and whatever else is part of the UK, Britain. So I'm going to film that in just a minute because it needs to be up tonight. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I will pick up the camera when I'm gonna vlog something else, part of this. I'm gonna do some fireworks. It is late at night, it's nearly 7 o'clock at night. But yeah, so see you in a minute, guys. But look! See your first bonfire, pizza man! There's fireworks going on. I've just stayed to the door just because I'm scared of them. Oh! Wow! Woo! Guys, that was cool. Was that a kill, Bruno? Hello? He's like, nope. I'm just editing them, and I need to upload them to YouTube, so I might go and do that now because there's only so much fireworks you can handle in one day. Look at that. Flipping out. I don't think there's going to be any more. Anyway, if not, I'm not going to be watching. So yeah, I'm going to be uploading.